Are you part of a maintenance or operations team and looking for ways to optimize your workflow? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of transitioning from paperwork orders to a computerized maintenance management system and how it can save you significant time and money. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and I'll guide you through this transition and share a step-by-step guide on how to implement a computerized maintenance management system effectively at your facility. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make your maintenance processes simpler, more efficient, and cost-effective. Are you still using paperwork orders at your facility? If so, it's time to consider transitioning to a computerized maintenance management system, which can save you both time and money and improve reliability. But be aware, this transition is not a quick one. It often takes anywhere between 6 months to a year. However, when implemented correctly, it can yield significant cost savings. So why should you consider transitioning from paperwork orders to a computerized maintenance management system? First, a computerized maintenance management system makes information more accessible. Instead of having paper maintenance records hidden away in a filing system, you'll be able to pull up past work orders with a quick search. This makes processes like performing root cause analysis or tallying up hours for accounting purposes much simpler. Second, modern computerized maintenance management systems do more than simply store work order data. They provide a wide range of tools designed to help your maintenance team analyze data for planning and accounting purposes. This allows you to quickly analyze data and use it to improve your maintenance processes. Third, transitioning to a computerized maintenance management system can help you focus working hours on more important tasks. Paper records can slow your facility down. Companies in the US spend about $20 in labor costs to file each document, and it can take about $120 to retrieve a misfiled work order. By switching to a computerized maintenance management system, you'll be able to spend those labor hours on more productive tasks. Lastly, transitioning to a computerized maintenance management system can help reduce file management costs. Maintaining filing cabinets can cost about $2,000 per year per cabinet. On the other hand, managing your work orders in an electronic computerized maintenance management system can streamline the process immensely. Now let's talk about how to set up a computerized maintenance management system. This is a process that requires advanced planning and careful implementation. In fact, roughly 80% of all implementations fail. But don't worry, we've got 9 steps that should help your implementation be successful. Step 1 is to outline your goals. What do you aim to accomplish by implementing a computerized maintenance management system? Some goals might include better support for a preventive maintenance program, reducing maintenance costs, improving equipment uptime, improving MRO inventory management, increasing the mobility of your maintenance workforce, or supporting asset health tracking. Step 2 is to get an implementation team together. Your team should consist of both management and staff members who are familiar with technology, have an analytical mindset, are detail-oriented, committed to reliability, and have good communication and interpersonal skills. Step 3 is to choose a user-friendly computerized maintenance management system that will meet your needs. Computerized maintenance management system programs are often modular in nature, making it easy to choose one that has the features you need to reach your goals. Step 4 is to create an implementation plan. This plan should account for resources and personnel needed to gather data to input into the computerized maintenance management system, how asset and work order data will be gathered, how data will be classified and organized, who will perform each task, key milestones, and time periods for each milestone. Step 5 is to list assets with bills of materials. You'll need a complete list of all assets that you maintain in your facility. Along with each asset on your list, include the bills of materials as well. Step 6 is to develop consistent codes. The terms and codes used for parts, failure modes, and assets in your computerized maintenance management system will need to be consistent. Step 7 is to populate your computerized maintenance management system. This may be the most time-consuming step, but having your codes and terms standardized should help expedite the process. Step 8 is to train your team in using the computerized maintenance management system. Your personnel may need training in computer skills as well as on how to use the software you've chosen. Finally, step 9 is to continue updating your computerized maintenance management system and processes. As your business grows, your maintenance needs may change, and that could mean adding more features to your system. Now let's move on to 6 tips for making the switch over to a computerized maintenance management system. Tip 1. Choose tech and people-savvy personnel for your implementation team. Tip 2. Plan ahead. Advanced planning is vital to successful computerized maintenance management system implementation. Tip 3. Get your maintenance crew on board. Tip 4. Include terminology in your training. Tip 5. Use the provider's resources during implementation. And finally, tip 6. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on good rather than perfect. In conclusion, while the process of switching from paperwork orders to a computerized maintenance management system can be time-consuming, the long-term cost savings are well worth it. With a solid plan and a consistent process in place, your implementation should be successful. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the benefits of transitioning from paperwork orders to a computerized maintenance management system, the steps to implement it, and tips for a successful transition. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you make your maintenance processes simpler, more efficient, and cost-effective.